We're getting a tornado warning. I'm not sure. I don't know, guys. I don't know. This might be. Okay. I was about to say butthole. No, now I shouldn't post this.
Are you still recording? What are you talking about that? Like, oh, you're just in the middle of the video. Oh, I should have fixed this.
At 5:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms moving into the Green River and Pennyroyal areas of West Kentucky. These storms contain very heavy rainfall and will get...
Hey, who were they called? We don't even live in. Why are you recording?
Because I still got it. We're in the tornado watch. So we're about to get tornado.
What's your tornado watch?
I know, but that means we could.
I know you could.
Like, it's really possible.
I know it's an 80% out of 100.
It's an 80 to 90%.
Well, basically, yeah.
Alright, guys. So it looks like through these glasses. What's that poop? Whoa! Guys, we're being hit by a tornado! Oh no! Oh, I'm joking. Cool. I am also choking.
What?
I'm also choking.
Cool. You're sure
wait, I'm gonna see if we get a double header.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe...
I will tell you another tornado.